y'all. Put your gloves on. Let's tie-dye today. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So these are crocheted with a cotton bamboo blend, and this is Yarn Art Tahiti. Please don't look at my kayaking sore. And Smileys Yarn, they closed. We've done it for 1,000 years and we're done. So I can't get this yarn anymore. And this is my favorite yarn. And so I have this, which is cotton. You see how bright it is? But it's not as, I mean, it's nice, it's cotton, but it's not as soft and flowy as this beautiful Yarn Art Tahiti bamboo blend. So this is the second part of the process. So they have been crocheted and they have been washed and then soaked in soda ash water 20 minutes or more, wrung out in the wash machine till damp, just like t-shirts, right? Because I have to wash them because of the chemicals that's on the yarn, because if not, you'll see when I put liquid on it, it beads up, and it's because it's polished. So we have to help it along a little bit. And so they're higgly-piggly, just here and there. And we do lots of color. I don't do patterns on them. I mean, you know, like spirals, such and so forth. I just do big color palettes. And I love mine. And then I made one for my bestie, and her dog threw up in her car seat on her hat. And then she just snatched mine off the top of my head, so I had to make myself a new one. So here we go. There's just some fun, and then some fun. Just here's some hats, and let's go play. My tub has a crack in it. I gotta buy a new tub. Oh, fell off my step stool. Oh, the challenges have been short. Okay, so here's the chaos of the hats. And like I said, it's just higgledy-piggledy. Like what? Let's play with some colors. Here's put some parakeet. Can you see how it kind of bubbles up a little bit right at first? It's that polished thread. So there's some parakeet, and then from the parakeet we'll go into gold yellow on this one. It'll make a beautiful green. I gotta make some more of that, and then we'll do some what is this, some ultra violet, but we're gonna try and keep it away from the yellow. And see there, it's just kind of like, I don't know if I can zoom in and show that to you. You kind of have to like get it going a little bit. Oh my god, that parakeet and that ultraviolet is gorgeous together. And then I don't know, let's put some red on the top. This is Chinese red with a little bit of remnants of fire red in there. I mix the two, and then we'll just kind of squish it in. And we'll do the other side, kind of along the same lines. And then here I've got, well, I got ultraviolet that I've splattered on it, so let's go with that. Some ultraviolet. And then some robin's egg. And then let's go with a little bit of green up here by the robin's egg. We'll keep it away from the purple. Purple and green are beautiful together, but not when they sit next to each other. And then we'll turn it over. Probably put some yellow. So we'll do yellow. We're gonna make this one hot. Some yellow and some tangerine. That might be soft orange. I don't remember. Going over it. Going in thick. Just playing. I'm just having a good time. We're gonna put some Chinese red around. I got a little bit of green over here, so I just covered it up with red. Put a red splash through there, and then we'll turn it over. And then, what colors have I got? What have I got? I got some blue violet, yeah? Or some celadon. Oh, okay. I see you, celadon. I see you. You are a pretty, pretty one. Yes, you are. We'll do some celadon and some robin's egg on this one. Because they kind of flow into each other. Ooh, and probably some lilac. Just kind of put some lilac on the end. Or no, sorry. Changed my mind. Raspberry. It's a raspberry on the end. Because that raspberry fades out into very similar robin's egg. So, this is how I make hats, you guys. And it's just kind of just splish splash. No rhyme, no reason. Sometimes I don't want to really work. I just want to play with some colors. That's all. That's all. I mean, I did this design twice because I like those colors. I like those colors a lot. And now I'm just going to flip them over and see what needs to be done to the other side with some complementary colors. I really like this one. Really like this one. And then let's go with, where's my dragon fruit? Yeah. Go with some dragon fruit up here. I think I'm gonna throw some, I'm gonna have to be careful because I've got orange on there, but I want some robin's egg right up here. But we don't want the orange and the robin's egg to get too close together because we'll make some mud. And then going all across here, parakeet, everything across there, I'm gonna put robin's egg all on this side of this hat. Just kind of bring all them together. I let them touch. Now I got green there. So bad. That's fine. That's fine because I got some red. It's just going to be dark right there. And then we'll throw some, oh, I know, red violet. Yeah? We're going to throw some red violet right there on that side. Hello, baby. And then on this one, I've got green and blah. So I'm going to hit it with, I'm going to brighten it up with some dragon fruit. What color combos would you use? Throw it in the comments for me. Let me know. Let me know. I'm going to touch it with some turquoise. No, I'm going to touch it with some yellow. Right here. Yep. Oh, right there, yeah. And then across here. Do I got any? I don't have any more. Gotta make some more. That, on this end, I'm going with yellow up here. With that celadon and that blue. Then, over here, Going in with the dragon fruit. Dragon fruit for the win. Okay. And that's how we make hats. Be 24 hours. I'm gonna wash them out. Oh, okay. Are you ready? Here they are. I've sold some. Since I did the original recording of this, I did Hoppin' John's. Hoppin' John's is a fiddler's convention in Pittsboro, North Carolina, and I was fortunate enough to be picked as one of their vendors, and I had such a great show, and it got cool in the evenings, and I had a bunch of these hanging there, and so a lot of them sold very quickly, but I do have some to show you, and I think this might be some of, well, I know these are, but let's look. Oh, wait, thumbnail. Okay. This is the cotton. And so, like, okay, look how stiff. So I'm just, right? It doesn't mean it's bad, okay? It's just stiff. And then here is the bamboo cotton. See how floppy? It's, oh my gosh, it's so soft. It's just delightful. It's just a delightful blend as opposed to this. And these are out of the dryer. So when they're out of the dryer, they're a little smaller, okay? And they go anywhere from like a beanie, skull cap, to a slouch. So with all of the washing and drying, they go from, they're all pretty much exactly the same size until they get washed, and then the sizes vary. So this is now child size right out of the dryer, but this cotton is, if you give them a good pop, if you like a skull cap, then this one is going to be snug, but I like a slouch. So this is that heavy cotton, and I'm not mad at it. They're super warm. And then here is that beautiful, floppy, soft bamboo blend. And these don't pull up as much. And and I made them all exactly the same with the exact same hook. Everything. And then we have this beautiful slouch in the back. Yeah. So these are my hats, and I am sold on, it's just a double crochet, double strand, and a single crochet brim. That's all they are. But because they are a natural fiber, you can dye them. And you guys know how it is with me. If it's a natural fiber and I can get a rubber band around it, I'm gonna tie-dye it. Hey, if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure that I put them in a playlist so they're easier for you to find. My channel is loaded with content. Right now the focus is on tie-dye. Who knows what it's going to be next week. I have pretty much filmed every day of my life for about the last 20 days, and then went on vacation. Went to see Lee, and we didn't get any footage of us clowning, tasting things, whatever, but we went kayaking in a cave. That was so much fun. And there's a bunch of other things, and so I'm going to start incorporating a couple of my festivals. Oh, you'll see. You'll see. Remember, be peaceful. And be kind. It's important. Find something new to do today. Who knows? You might like it. Will I talk to you soon? Did I record any? I did. Oh, I was like, oh my God. Did I record any of that? I cannot get my camera height where I want it. How's that? You looking at my nose? Okay.